What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're making a sample beat like this. Hey! Sounds super fire, bro. Let's just dive right into it. That's what we like to see. Everything is on tempo. Export. Boom. Now this vocal right here. Let's see what we can do with this one. Running it out. This sounds good. Now we got both samples. I think I want to like try to chop the vocal maybe. So let's drag that into Fruity Slicer. Put this on 12 beats. I want to make the chops a little bit finer. That's crazy. Right, let's speed up the tempo to like 142. Maybe 140. And then I want to make like a second pattern that is like two-step hi-hat and not the drill bounce. I can love. create an automation clip for the volume. I don't like the hi-hat. Turn it out, and I want to add like a filter on this. We're doing a lot today. Hey! That's crazy. That's actually crazy, bro. Oh my. Whew! Fucking hell. Hey! Shit, yeah, that she love me. I can never trust her. I kept bands in the cup, bands in my hand. Yeah, she said that she love me. I can never trust her. I can trust her. I can trust her. Other than dash, I got a dash. I better dash. Demons on me. Demons on me. Demons on me. Yeah. I gotta Hey, bro, imagine this being a song. Oh my god. Reverb. That would be crazy, bro. That shit would go so viral. On God. That's insane. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you especially learned from this. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. And if you're already there, leave a like as well. Would appreciate that. Make sure to follow me on Instagram @gunna beats. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.